In this recording, we'll be talking about model geometries. Now, model geometries are used in basically two places. One, we have them inside your 3D HSR or a 3D HSM, and you also have them within regular operations when you want to do what we call target protection. Let's see how this works. Now, as you see on my screen, I have here two components. And in my target, both components have been defined as my model. Show a model, you'll see that both of them have been chosen for my model. Now, let's go into 3D HSR, for example, and you'll see that as far as my geometry goes, it automatically takes target. But what if I only want to work on one of them? So I can go ahead and create a new geometry and just pick one of them. By clicking on it, I've picked my model for as my geometry, this model only. And it will not work on this. It will not work on the entire target, which is both of them. It will only work on this model. I could have also picked it from CAD selection and picked it from my CAD tree. Accept that, and if I do show, you'll see that my model consists of only that particular model. This concludes my recordings on selecting face and model geometries.